Alright, so we just got the hubs picked up here. They weigh a ton.
So that's my hand on the hub.
They also cost a ton.
But, like,
they're not breaking. So look at how thick that is. It's even got a keyway in it. There, we got 10 studs.
10?
5 there, 5
10.
there.
Okay.
5 plus 5 is 10.
Okay, oh, I thought you meant 10 on one. I thought you were, like, mentally disabled or something. Wouldn't be the first time I thought that. Yeah, they weigh 25 pounds apiece, roughly. Things are beef.
So basically,
Triple A.
even if we have to get a bigger axle, okay, Tanner. If we have to give a bigger axle, there's just so much steel on the back there that it's entirely possible.
She'll work.
She'll work. And we're
Here,
just getting the axle put back on here and all the carrier
There,
bearings.
show them how to fit in the tire, bud.
Now basically, it's gonna be pretty hard. Oh. Let's see. Precision. That looks sick. Let's see. Unreal. These are actually custom made too. They're not even actual hubs. They're actual hubs, but they're not actual hubs.
Oh, try taking those out with 3 fingers. You gotta grab like that. That's not staying in your hand.
All right, so that's it's pretty good. We got our axle and we got our 2 wheels here, one there and one there, and
I probably should have shown that one.
oh well, it's not a big deal.
No.
And
Dead battery too.
battery's dead.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. That's fine. Your multimeter's dead as well. Battery. So. What are you filming for, you twat?
For the YouTube channel. Meat.
I did not mean to say those hurtful words to each other.
Why is it moving? It's not supposed to be moving.
Trevor, shut the fuck up.
He meant those hurtful words, Trevor.
Yeah. What are you fiddling with over there?
Well, I was gonna replace the battery in the multimeter, but don't have a battery, so let me just
Right.
drop every screw on the plane.
She gonna be tight.
The hubs just fit.
The hub's just.
Like, see, that's just touching the end. And there's just a little bit more room on this.
Oh.
Multimeter.
You see how close?
Yeah. They're on this side.
Basically, you gotta try and get that bolt off first.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, we had trouble last time. That's why it's still on there. We couldn't get it off.
Really?
Yeah.
I know what we're gonna do.
What are we gonna do?
We're just gonna put a wrench on this side. I'm gonna hold it while someone on that side takes out.
Sounds good, great.
Okay. All right, we got the hubs on here. Show you the other side too. They all just fit too. It's perfect. Yeah, so that's stage 1 of getting her off the training wheels here. Yeah, we're just jacking up, putting the tire on.
That's high enough.
Hands up.
Yeah.
Here, hold that.
Will it fit? I don't think it's gonna fit on.
What do you mean? Oh, because you did it on the other tire.
Yeah. What kind of spacing do we have on this side? Pretty much the same. It's gonna be close, dude.
Yeah, obviously we're gonna need spacers.
Here, well, push it up my way.
It's good.
Absolutely giant wheels. Do you mind?
Pulling it out.
Just holding the hub with your foot even. It's still going in. Hold it there. You're like, we can record it back.
Huh?
You can record it after. Yeah.
Right. Tire's on. Obviously we're gonna need spacers, but just look at that. Isn't that gonna be the sexiest looking thing you've ever seen? with the mess here, but like, look at it. It's gonna be ripping.
What do you got? That's making things a lot easier. Oh yeah.
You love ratchet straps, Tanner?
I do. Oh, fuck. Do you love not having concussions?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to see a doctor very soon.
You shouldn't have hit him that hard, Tanner.
I didn't even hit him that hard.
I don't think they know the story.
I think you should tell him the story.
Okay, so he's in his brother's room, right? Closed door. I grab a pillow and I'm waiting behind the corner. Graham leads him down the stairs, like, oh, let's go, and stomps down the stairs like a fucking ape. Then Trevor comes out with his head like that, right? And I absolutely clobber the kid with a pillow. And now I'm pretty sure he has a concussion. Probably like 77% sure he has a concussion. And what is all this cluster shit? What do you want this?
Just leave there. This was going underneath it. I don't know what the bolts are for the seat though.
Nah.
Could be a problem.
It could be. Very well a problem.
Oh, maybe I screwed him in. Here, let me see.
You're sitting on wires, eh?
No, you didn't screw him in.
No, sorry.
Fuck.
Oh, look at the breath puffs from the puppy.
Oh, wow. That smells like canned tuna. Do you smell bread, Jeff? Or toast?
What?
Do you smell toast?
No.
So, is it recording?
It is.
Okay. So, got the hubs. Got the hubs. I put the rotor on. So that rotor's good. Good clearance in there now. Not a lot of rubbish. Very easy to move. Gotta press on the brakes. 10. We'll show 'em.
Yeah.
10.
Love ratchet straps, right? Here, I'll push the brakies into y'all.
So as you can see, I can spin it very easily until Tanner and just absolutely locks it up. So brakes are done.
Better.
But we need I need to buy spacers because my tires have too much of an inset. So the tires
Where are
want
the tires?
Huh? Wow. Yeah. So yeah, the tires have too much of an not enough of an inset, so they want to be sitting right about here, which is not ideal. So I need to get about a 1-inch spacer because they're actually not that far off, which will kick out the tires that much farther.
Buford.
So yeah. And then right now we're probably gonna make 3 pedals if we can.
Clutch, gas,
I
and
think
brake.
there's a radio over there. We're gonna hook up and then fine tune the console here. And yeah, pretty much all that happened. Yep. Let's get to it.
You can cuss Trevor here as well.
Okay, fine. That's just absolutely ripping that. Okay, let's bolt the seat in.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll bolt the seat in if you get me whatever that looks like to you.
I'm gonna say 11.
Definitely not. Maybe, I'm gonna guess a 1/2 inch.
Where the fuck did you put them? There they are.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Yeah, it's definitely not a 1/2 inch.
What'd you just drop?
She's 17 mil.
So you were way off.
I'll give you another concussion, pal.
Yeah, he's got a trim going.
Huh?
He's got a trim going on up there.
Mm-hmm.
That's definitely going to be the thumbnail of that video of you fondling your ratchet strap right there.
Okay, boss.
Unfortunately.
You're on the very right in the little bucket.
Are you obsessed with me or something? Like, why do you keep filming my face?
He's not gonna have slice for much longer.
Yeah, no. My eyes are killing me. What are you doing back there?
What are you doing? Dealing with a concussion, right?
I guarantee I'm not concussed. I was just faking the whole time.
You. I'm guessing this kid. It just doesn't switch anymore.
It doesn't?
No.
So you're just looking at the weld that whole time?
Yeah, it's yellow though. It doesn't really hurt.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay.
It filters out UV, so.
I don't think so. I wouldn't look at it.
It's not bright.
It's quite bright. Nope.
Yeah, I wouldn't breathe that in.
Fuck!
That smells terrible.
Probably open the garage door.
Alright, so it's got the pedal off here. Because we are going to be switching from this one. This is the round bar here. To these ones over here, which are square bar. So we're just getting the faceplate put on it right now. He's measuring it out and making sure it fits. But so picked up this propane space heater from shopping channel. Really warm. What does it look like?
What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
Ready?
Ready?
Thank you to go back and forth.
Yeah.
You might hit the thing. No, it doesn't work. Can't really get to welding. Oh yeah, a lot better. No side to side movement at all.